Hello, my dear children. Today we will learn about rules for subject verb agreement and all the rules you will write in your copy, fair copy, and you will use black ink to write. Alright, so let's start. So, the rule number one is third person singular pronoun. Now you know third person and you know singular pronoun. He, she, it, and also a particular name of a person, place, or thing. Right? Singular pronoun means he, she, it, and a name of a particular person or a place is your third person and singular pronoun. Alright. So this will take singular verbs. Okay? For example, as it's written there, Meera lives in Gorakhpur. So Meera is third person. It's a name of a person. It's a third person. I'm talking to you. About whom? Meera. I'm talking about Meera. Okay, I am talking to you. So I am first person, you are second person, and I'm talking about Meera. And Meera is singular and it is also third person. Okay, so this name Meera lives in Gorakhpur. Now you see how it has taken singular verb here, lives. So it should be very clear to you whenever you will talk about third person singular pronoun, you have to add s in the verb. Alright? Similarly, the next example you see, she does not want my help. Now, with he, she, it, and any other name, you will always use does. You will not use do. Like I have heard children saying, Miss, she do not listen to me. This is wrong. She does not. Alright? With she, he, it, and any other name, singular pronoun, third person, you will use s in the verb. So see here, you have added es in the verb do, right? does, does. Then see the next one. My father has kept my book. So here, father is singular third person, and in present perfect tense you have used has with it. As I have told you in the chapter tenses, that in present perfect tense with singular third person, um, singular pronoun third person, you will use has, right? Miss has come. Okay, she has done her work. And also, if you remember in chapter tenses, I have told you with a has, have, and had in perfect tense, when you will use has, have, and had, which form of the verb you will use with has, have, and had? Verbs third form. That is the reason you will say Miss has come and not Miss has came. Miss has came is wrong. I have told you this. Miss has come. Why? Because has, you are using it in present perfect tense, and with present perfect tense you will always use verbs third form. Alright? I hope this is clear. My father has kept my book. Everything you will write in your copy. Third, now see the next rule, rule number 2. Third person plural pronoun. They. That means third person plural pronoun. They takes a plural verb. Now, third person, now till now you were learning about third person and singular pronoun. Alright, now the pronoun will be plural. It has to be third person but plural. Now, see for example, they. Okay, they is third person. I am talking to you about whom? I'm talking to you about a third person and it's plural in number. Children, I have done little correction here. Pronouns and singular nouns I have added there. You please add. Okay. Let's start. So third person plural pronoun, that is they, and plural nouns. Then see here how they is plural pronoun and third person. I am talking to you. All right. And then they is third person, and they you do not use for one person. When you say they, that means there are more than one. So they is your plural pronoun third person. And when I say plural noun, like children, people, teachers, all right, so they are plural in number and third person. Okay. So see the examples. So these will take plural verb. See the example. They have done the work. Now till now my father has kept my book. My father is third person and singular. And here they have done the work. They is third person and plural. So the verb that you are going to use here will be in plural, will be a plural verb. So have, they have done the work. Now people are going. People is third person and plural in number. Okay, so people are going. Okay, children do not play chess. Children is again your third person and plural in number. Children do not play chess. If it would have been child, child, third person, and child is singular in number, then it would have been child does not play chess. I hope you understand. Alright, let's move further and see another rule. Now, the rule number 3. The second person singular as well as plural pronoun you takes a plural verb. Okay. For example, you all are playing well. So you all here, you all refers to many people in second person. Okay, you all. So it's a plural pronoun, right? So I will take plural verb, and that is are. So you all are playing well. You have helped everyone. Now you here singular and second person. So I will use have with it. You have helped everyone. You do a lot for others. You do a lot for others. It is singular pronoun but in second person, so I will use plural verb with it. That is do. You do a lot for others. Now let's see rule number 4. The first person singular pronoun, that is I. First person. I have always told you that first person is I and it is singular, right? The first person singular pronoun takes a plural verb in all cases except with the verb be. Now in class 5 you have studied the forms of be, is, are, was, were, right? Been, being, been. I have written been twice. You please write only once. So you will use plural verb with first person singular pronoun except when you are using for any form of be. For example, I go to temple daily. Now here the verb go is in its plural form. Can you guess the singular form of this verb? It will be goes. Okay. So, I go to temple daily. Next example is I visit my friend every Sunday. So I visit. Visit is your plural verb. I have done my work. I have. With I, you are using plural verb. So this verb, form of verb have, you have used in present perfect tense. Next rule, you see, the first person plural pronoun. First person plural pronoun we takes a plural verb. When you say we, it is first person, but the pronoun is here, the number is here, pronoun number is plural. Okay, so we always take a plural verb. For example, we are on time. You don't say we is on time. We are on time. Okay. We practice music for 2 hours. Now here the verb practice is in its plural form. The singular form would be practices. So she practices. Mohan practices. But with we, you will always use practice. We practice music for 2 hours. Alright, there are few more rules that we will discuss in next video on Monday. Hope you have understood everything. If there is any problem, please ask, and don't forget to make notes. It's a very important chapter, and I will give questions from this chapter in your next exam. So please take it seriously. Write all these rules in your fair copy. You don't have to learn these rules. Don't mug up these rules. Understand it. And while you're speaking English, please see that you are following these rules so that you can speak without making mistakes. Thank you.